Hi, my name is Barry. Have a question. Do you have any spare time, fancy a challenge? Then we're looking for volunteers like yourself to join us at Linc Housing on a tenant panel. As a volunteer, you will be engaged in activities and training, attending workshops to learn about diversity, equality, i.e. LGBT groups, disabled and people with learning disabilities. Training on how we spend money and value for money. I've even met volunteers who have run a community garden, coffee mornings and even a community shop. I've been invited to the behind the scenes look at the Welsh Assembly Senate in Cardiff and met our local AM. I've attended a posh evening gala hosted by the Only Men Allowed star, Tenant Participation, who gave out awards. One of the categories, Championing Local Heroes, was won by a fellow volunteer. Along the way, I have made some great friends. If you have an opinion, you have a voice, then like me, get involved. Question, what have you done with yourself today?